Welcome to day 4 of your soul reset journey. Today, we explore a powerful truth. Your thoughts are not the enemy. They are part of you. They are messengers. They are movement. And they don't need to be silenced. They need to be seen. Let's begin with a simple observation. Your mind is designed to think. It creates stories, plans, memories, worries. It's not broken. It's active. And that's okay. Trying to empty your mind often leads to frustration. Instead, we learn to observe. Mindfulness is not control. It's awareness. It's the gentle act of noticing without judgment. When a thought arises, you don't need to fight it. You don't need to follow it. You simply say, I see you. And let it pass. Let's come back to the breath. Inhale slowly. Hold. Exhale gently. Let your breath be the anchor. Thoughts may come. Let them float by like clouds. You are the sky, not the storm. Let's try this together. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle. Let your breath guide you. Now, gently close your eyes and begin to notice the thoughts that arise. Don't chase them. Don't push them away. Just observe. When a thought appears, name it softly in your mind. Planning, worrying, remembering, judging, imagining. There's no need to analyze No need to fix. Just name and let go. Each time a thought comes, gently return to your breath. Inhale, hold, exhale slowly. Inhale, hold, exhale slowly. Inhale, hold, exhale slowly. Inhale, hold, exhale slowly. Let your breath be the anchor. Let your awareness be the sky, wide, open, and calm. You are not your thoughts. You are the one who sees them. And in that seeing, there is freedom. When you stop fighting your thoughts, you create space. Space for peace, space for clarity, space for healing. This is the reset. Not silence, but softness. Now repeat quietly in your mind. I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness behind them. I choose calm. Let these words echo gently. Let them become your inner voice. Your thoughts will come and go. But you remain present, grounded, whole. Let this practice guide you today. When the mind gets loud, return to breath. Return to presence. Return to soul reset. Thank you for showing up today. Tomorrow, we'll explore how to ground through the senses. But for now, stay here as long as you need. You are safe. You are seen. You are resetting.